friends, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. I am so happy you are here because guess what? We working on our quilt alone quilt called Tahoe. Has been so much fun, and today we working on our diamond number 10. Diamond number 10. Can you imagine already 10 diamonds? And this one is so simple and so quick to do. Come on, join me in. If you're just joining me in, please make sure visit our first blog and our first video called Housekeeping. It will give you all the information you need if you wanted to join right now, and you can do it anytime. Today we're gonna be making diamond 10, and with this diamond we have a set of strips that we have sewn together, two lights, one blue in the middle. I'm working with the Primrose collection. From this strip set I'm gonna be cutting those units, and just to refresh in case you forgot, okay? So look at this. On this ruler, I have my measurements. I'm gonna look at right here. I need a 2.5. I'm gonna place it right over my strip panel, right there with all my strips. And I measure 2.5, match the top, match the bottom. And now all that I have to do is quickly cut, and look how nice this look. So simple, so nice. Isn't that exciting? So you're gonna need 8 of those because we're gonna be making 8 of those diamonds. The low leftover, I push it to the side. I'm gonna put this set right there in the middle. Another set that I need is set number 3, and this one was just a strip that I had to cut, as well as this one right here. Look at this. We are ready to assemble our diamond by just placing pieces right sides together, right on the top of each other, pin, pin, and pin. So flip it open, then go ahead on this side, pin, pin, and pin, sew it, flip it open. Remember, open your seams in the back, and you have a beautiful diamond 10. You know the routine now. You're getting so good in it. You're gonna place the ruler, check, make sure that it's perfect, and you can now go ahead, keep making those till you have 8 total of diamond 10. I hope you enjoying this fun event. Look at how simple and fun some of those diamonds are. The quilt looks so difficult and so special, but with just little step at a time, you can do it. Just 1 diamond at a time, 8 diamonds every day for last 24 days. We're gonna have a beautiful, beautiful quilt. So I hope you enjoy it. Happy quilting, and I can't wait to see you soon for diamond number 11.